This is going to be a real quick video since I edited it so tightly. So this came up on my news feed. It was about a new theme, kind of a retro 80s theme for Visual Studio Code, and just a couple screenshots I saw for it looked really nice. So I wanted to try it out. And so here is me kind of stumbling through the process without reading a lot of the documentation, just kind of guessing my way through it. So of course the first step is to actually install the theme, and I'll put the link in the description. There actually ends up being a lot more to it than just installing the theme though, which I'll go through as well. So if you only install the synthwave 84 theme, you'll only be able to change like the color scheme. To actually add the additional glow effects, you'll need to add another extension called the custom CSS and JS loader. Once that extension is installed, you can do a Control-Shift-P or go to View and open the command palette. Either one of those do the same thing, and then you're going to start typing enable, and then you'll see enable custom CSS and JS. You want to click on that. Before you enable the extension though, you'll have to edit the Visual Studio Code settings.json file. I'll provide some links to that later on. So once you have everything set, you'll need to restart Visual Studio Code, and you may get an error message upon restart, which is normal. So assuming everything's been installed correctly and that the settings.json file has also been altered correctly, then upon restart you should see the new color theme plus the glow effects, which I'm kind of demonstrating here. It does look pretty nice. I'm glad it was worth the effort to do this, to get this configuration working. So link number one is just the download location for the synthwave 84 theme. Link 2 is the Microsoft Visual Studio Code install directory, just as an FYI. It's not really necessary. Link 3 is where the settings.json file lives for your Visual Studio Code installation. And finally, the link number 4 is where by default the synthwave 84 theme will install.